Good morning, Joy Daniels team. I am going to give you a quick, brief tutorial on a new way of using our Teams account so that we can have a daily update. So you'll see along the side, let me move this a little bit closer. You're going to see along the side, there's these icons. The first icon says activity. That's kind of like your cell phone notifications. It just gives you a notification of everything that's going on. The second tab here is the chat tab. This is where you will see the staff chat and any other individual chats that you might have going on. If you want to chat with someone that's not on that list individually, you can click this little icon here at the top and it will open a new chat, and then you can enter anyone's name. For instance, if I want to just chat with Kevin, I can type in Kevin's name and then I can send him an individual chat as opposed to sending it for the whole staff to see. The next icon is Teams, and this is where you're going to find the daily update. Once you click on Teams, you're going to click over here where it says Daily Update. Once you click on Daily Update, you'll see this little, I think it looks like books here. This opens little notebooks. Think of a notebook with tabs. Here's February, March, April. We'll go to February, and today is the daily update for Tuesday, 2/22. Now, this is where Kevin and Andy are going to now update all of the information that we need to see on a daily basis. Who is at the West Shore office, who is at the East Shore office, who were the AM agents on duty, and who were the PM agents on duty, if there's any birthdays, anniversaries, if anybody's off, and then also the daily schedule, meaning any settlements or anything that's going on in the office. And then at the bottom is an area for fun news. If there's anything that you'd like to share, anybody can edit this document and everyone will be able to see it. So if you have, if your team is playing in a good game tonight and you want to say go Flyers, for instance, you can type it in there. And this way we don't have to scroll through the chat every day to try to find out who is on duty and what's going on and what settlements are happening. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to me and I'd be happy to give you a personal tutorial. Thanks.